Hine Mah Tov Manayim, Shevet Achim Gam Yachad. Hine Mah Tov Manayim, Shevet Achim Gam Yachad. Hine Mah Tov, Shevet Achim Gam Yachad. Hine Mah Tov, Shevet Achim Gam Yachad. Hello, Mr. Lavner here. I had a request for the song Hine Mah Tov. Now there's a lot of Hine Mah Tovs, but this is the one that we're going to do. And I just want to mention something, that we're playing it actually in the key of D minor, and that's going to be with the 9-step staircase that we've spoken about before. If you need to review that, you can go back to some earlier videos. But I just want to mention that this key, singing it for me, Hine Mah Tov Manayim, it's a good key for me. But if you're a lady singing, it could be you'd be better in a lower key, and you could, if you would, just buy what's called a baritone ukulele, and you would play it the same way I'm playing it now. I believe a baritone ukulele would be really good for if a lady is working with kids, to sing with kids. It would be really good to be able to play all those open chords. It would be in a good key for you. So don't forget, a baritone ukulele. This is a tenor. A baritone's a little bit bigger, and it's basically like a guitar with 4 strings. It's a great way to start guitar. Okay, but we're going to learn Hine Mah Tov, and here we go. We're going to need the 9-step staircase. Has a T flat in it. I'm going to play it, but you can review it. It's Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, T flat, Do, Re, Re, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Re. Okay? So you're going to need those notes. And you can, you can go back. I think I go over these scales in some other videos, previous videos. But let's learn it, right? And the way you're going to learn it is I'm going to play it. You can keep stopping the recording, write down the notes, just do, re, mi, whatever the notes are, and then you can start practicing through it. Just one other good thing is to try to practice not looking at your hands. I'm kind of looking at my hands in the video just to try to make sure that but try that's something really great to work on. Here we go, Hine Mah Tov, and it goes like this: Re, 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 do, re, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, 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 do, re, sol, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, la, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, sol, la, la. Just playing A7 chord there, but there's la, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re. And of course, re goes with a D. Now I'll do another video with the chords, but I want to wish everybody a great day. If you have any comments or questions, it would be so awesome to actually get a comment or question. Thank you very much, and we should have Mashiach now. Bye.